Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this ski resort located in southeastern France. It is particularly famous because the Tour de France of cycling often goes through it, because it climbs like crazy to get up there. Anyhow, how do you say it in France? In French it is said as Alpe d'Huez. Alpe d'Huez. Don't worry about the H. H is silent, as it always is in French. Alpe d'Huez. It'd be fine in English to say it as Alpe d'Huez. Alpe d'Huez. Pretty straightforward once you know Alpe d'Huez from French. Alpe d'Huez. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous places and cities and famous French names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.